Break ID number 2307. 2017 Chronicles Baseball. 1-box break. There's the alphabetical list. And go. I never thought I'd miss Ryan Healy. And there you go. We've had good success in here with Benintendi and Judge. It's been a while since I've seen Bellinger. Oh, my word. Come on. Well, Tim, guess we shouldn't have said anything. Ryan Healy, RPA. Oakland. Todd, EG. We're in the middle of one now, and there's another one right after this. Are either of those the ones you are talking about? Somebody say Bellinger's name. Maybe that'll work. Nolan Arenado to $4.99. It is gold standard, Todd. On card. Colorado. Russell, GR. I could do $1 million bounty if we don't pull a Senzatella and probably be safe. Not yet. We did one of them. If you bought into this one, your name would be right there on the left. If it was the other one, that one's next. Although we did do 5 of them tonight, so... Another gold standard. Well, that's not Antonio. That's Mickey Mantle to 269. Yankees. Daniel W.O. Come on. So that'll go to whoever has the very last card pulled. Lewis Brinson, short print Prism auto to 20. Nice looking card. Brewers. Brewers. Daniel W.O. Ink Mantle, yeah. So the points go to Pittsburgh. Not finding anything fast tonight. Where's Pittsburgh? Russell, G.R. Well, those have been painful, to say the least, tonight.